Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Meet the Smiths. So there was a viewer that had asked to see our garden. So this is our mini backyard garden, and currently we have tomato, mint, basil, and I recently planted two sweet pepper, right? Two sweet pepper plants, and they ripe. They turn to yellow basically when they ripe. So yeah, this is our setup. So I have the a tank in the ground there. It's an excavation like down there. So I just use the excavation and just build a little tank and basically just do the plumbing, install a pump and my filter there, and it's a bucket system. So I have perlite as a growing medium. As you can see, this plant looks terrible. It's going to die basically. Well, it's dying. I already harvested a lot of ripe tomatoes already, but as you can see, it has plenty more. But the stem is, it's broken right here. So I'm basically just going to remove it. I just haven't gotten around to doing that as yet. But as you can see, these other plants, and it break because of the heavy wind that basically blows the plant all over the place. So as you can see, I have a lot of ripe tomatoes to harvest, and I still have plenty more coming. I have young ones coming there, and right, and this is the mint right here. Right, this is one mint in that bucket. Here's these tomato plants. One, two, three. These are basically younger. These were planted first. These are younger. So um, that is why you're not seeing any ripe tomatoes on these, right? Because I basically plant them in stages, right? So and then here you have another mint plant. Don't know if you can see that. It's so bright. Yeah, have another mint plant there. As you can see, we have plenty tomato, blossoms, flowers, all kind of things, and so on. So this is my beautiful basil plant. As you can see how beautiful it is, right? I got a lot of cuttings from it already in terms of to make tea and season and so on. So here we have the two sweet pepper plants, right? And I basically had to extend the system because I only have 10 buckets. So I basically had to extend the system to put in these two plants, right? So yeah, this is basically what it looks like, right? This is the return line that goes back to the tank, right? So let me show you another, and of course I do the trellis, this vertical trellising system with the cord, right? You can see. So this is another system that I'm using as well to do, like I've done lettuce in this before, and this is pakchoi, right? I've already harvested two pakchoi from this system already. As you can see, this is empty. Another one. Where is it? Alright, right there, it's empty. So I basically have one, two, three, four more leaf back to harvest. Right? They are looking okay. I think I'm going to take out this one maybe tomorrow. Right? So in here is a work in progress, right? Inside here. As you can see, I have a lot of issues with dust, right? Because look out there, pure marl. So the breeze just blow the dust, and you know it's on the leaf, and you can also see on the tomato plants, it's basically white, right? So um, yeah, I'm struggling with a lot of dust, and hence inside here is dusty. But the plants still grow. Um, I wash them down with fresh water every now and then. And the plan inside here is to basically get a few more of these, like maybe about 5 more of these. And I'm going to do both. I'm going to do I'm going to do lettuce and pakchoi. I'm going to try to do lettuce and pakchoi in stages. This is what our little garden looks like, right? And of course, I'm going to harvest some tomato now, right? So if you have any questions, please put them in the comments here. Please subscribe to our channel, Meet the Smiths, and yeah, we'll see you again in another video. Bye bye.